With a skid steer. I've done a little bit with it. Went down along the side of the property line and the fence and took down a good bit of the fence. Still got way more to take down. It's a lot of work to do here, but gonna be clearing down along the property line down through there, clearing out the fence up through there, taking down most of the trees out through there to the back of the property line, grading, fixing so it will drain, and putting storage buildings down there, and then a parking area for my vehicles that are out in the front yard. Big ugly mess. And then we got to take all that right there up, the deck from that point over, and fix the retaining wall. And the storm's about to hit. I already have tornadoes in South Georgia, south of Atlanta, and headed this way, so maybe it'll all be all right. Hope everybody's safe.